Hello artists, we're gonna be drawing Ultra Instinct Shaggy. And he's kind of like a caricature. His head's too big. I'm gonna make his head here, shoulders, waist, arms, and his feet, legs and feet. There we go, and then he's got shaggy hair. And shaggy ears. All right, let's get going with Mr. Shaggy. All right, so we're gonna start here. And you guys use your pencil. And we're just gonna draw a nice U. Just like that for Shaggy. Then we're gonna draw one eyebrow coming up and down, like so. And we're gonna draw another eyebrow coming up like that. And then we're gonna draw the hair. Okay, so we're gonna start with some zigzags. And then they're gonna come around like that. So that's why we only drew part of that eyebrow. And then here's his creepy eyes. All right. And here's his nose. It's like a letter U. And then we're gonna draw a arched line, an arched line. And then it's gonna come down and back up, down and back up. Then we're gonna draw a line underneath that. And there's his shaggy beard. Little bitty neck. Oh, we gotta get back to the hair. So coming back to the hair, come in here. Here's his ear. I think I want his ear like that more. This is too much. And then we've got some hair coming off like that. And then there we go. And we want our ears to line up like that. And then the hair continues like that. All right, there's his face. That looks pretty good. And I guess put a little furrow in his brow. Okay. So then going back down here to the neck. The neck comes down because he's kind of a skinny fella. Like that. And there's his shirt. There's his shoulders. Arm. Waist. Shoulder. Shirt. Waist. There we go. We'll get rid of that. Then here's his arm. Here's his arm, and he's got a fist. And there, and then we got 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna come around. And we got another fist. And another fist. That looks like an R. And we've got 1, 2, 3. I guess guess Shag only has 4 fingers. Then we've got the bottom of his waist. And then come over here. And then we got his feet. All right, and there you have Ultra Instinct Shaggy.